Everyone, welcome to How to Do Technology. Today we are going to learn about JavaScript history and JavaScript versions. So let's start. When we say JavaScript, we also refer to these two letters here, GS. So GS is the same as JavaScript. So let's start. In 1995, JavaScript or JS was introduced as a way to add programs to web page for Netscape navigators. So in that date, we in 1994 and 1995, we have this navigator that was called Netscape Navigator. So that was JavaScript introduced to add programs for this navigator. With JavaScript has modern web applications, we can make modern applications. Also, the user can interact directly without doing a page reload for every actions. So we can like click one element and the page don't need to reload all the page. So this is the good thing for modern web applications. Do not confuse, please, JavaScript with Java languages. So it's totally different. The name is similar. Java, it uses Java here and Java here, but it's very totally different. So do not confuse this. The names are similar because marketing consideration, but are different languages. Also, a standard document was written to describe the way that the language should work. This, let me show you. Here we have this ECMA International. So here, if you see, ECMA International is an industry association founded in 1961, dedicated to the standardization of information and communication system. So here we have all the standards. So if you see, we have a standard for access system, acoustic, Dart, closely proximity, Dart, electronic compatibility, etc. And here we have ECMAScript. So this is a standard for JavaScript. So here we know this ECMAScript standardizations. So also there have been several versions of JavaScript through the years. So we have like ES, that is ECMAScript also, but the version the next version of the first one was version 3, was the most widely supported version at the beginning, the version 3. During the time 2000 and 2010, ECMA organization, this organization here, was working on version 4, but was abandoned in 2008 because it was politically difficult. Then in 2009, version 5 of JavaScript was come out. Now, in that time, all the major browsers support that version 5. But in 2015, ES6 was released with a new features. Version 7 was in 2016 and version 8 and in 2017, and finally we have the version 9 in 2018. Mostly the time or the position that we have now in some jobs, for example, are asking it's good to know ES6. So it's another version or the most popular now, the ES6. So it's good that you know ES6, that version. But you can use JavaScript in other platforms, not just like in browsers. You can use JavaScript, for example, in databases like MongoDB or CouchDB. You can use also JavaScript in, I have it here, this image server programming like Node.js. So you can program it in server side with Node.js, but with Node.js we have JavaScript like a base. So that's it. This is the history in general for JavaScript and the versions that JavaScript have. So let me know if you have other questions and I can answer the questions. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel. And thank you so much for watching this video.